Hey there, so you've made it through concept, design, construction, and the final walkthrough. Feels like the finish line, right? But in reality, one of the most important stages is just beginning. Maintenance. In this final step of the construction life cycle, your focus shifts from building something new to keeping it working smoothly for years to come. Let's break down what the maintenance phase includes, why it matters, and how you can manage it like a pro. The maintenance phase kicks off once the building is operational and in use. But instead of hammering nails or pouring concrete, this stage is all about preserving and protecting what you've built. That includes preventive maintenance, like routine HVAC servicing or roof inspections. Corrective maintenance, fixing problems when things break, like plumbing issues, lighting outages, cracked tiles. And predictive maintenance, if you're using smart building tech that flags issues before they happen. It's not just about repairs, it's about preserving value and performance. Here's the thing, maintenance isn't glamorous, but it's essential. When it's done well, you avoid costly emergencies and extend the life of your building. It helps you protect your investment, stay compliant with safety and building codes, and create a better experience for the people using the space. Whether that's tenants, customers, or employees. Neglecting this phase, that's when you start seeing unexpected breakdowns, insurance issues, and skyrocketing costs. During this phase, the owner or facility manager takes over, managing things like service contracts for systems like elevators, fire alarms, HVAC, routine inspections, monthly, quarterly, or annual depending on the system, warranty tracking for major systems and finishes, and capital planning for long-term upgrades and replacements. The first year after handoff is especially important. It's when warranty issues tend to surface. That's why many contractors schedule a one-year walkthrough to catch any defects before the warranty expires. Managing all this manually, that's a recipe for missed deadlines and patchy record keeping. That's where tools like TeamGantt come in. It can help you build a recurring maintenance schedule for every asset in your building. Use boards to track tasks from request to completion. Attach documents, photos, or service records to each task, and assign responsibilities to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Whether you're managing one facility or a whole portfolio, TeamGantt gives you a centralized system to track it all. So while maintenance might be the last stage in the construction process, it's definitely not an afterthought. With the right plan and the right tools, you can keep your building performing at its best for decades. Want to simplify how you manage maintenance? Check out TeamGantt at the link below, and if this video helped you out, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more construction tips. See you next time.